Most of the industry for digital transformation realizes that you're going to be part of a much larger ecosphere.
The global number of active IoT devices is expected to grow to 10 billion this year.
Let me just show you one of our sensors here, right? It's pretty small.
There's still a lot of mystery behind, AI, machine learning. Still some skepticism.
Ooh, that's a good one.
WhatNext is a platform as a service and an ecosystem that connects 12 exponential digital technologies to the business objective and needs of industry. It combines carefully curated analyst insights with a technology adoption ecosystem that constitutes of industry players, venturing community, a global startup network, and technology adoption enablers.
There are close to 1.5 million industrial IoT devices in use across oil and gas. And this is expected to grow to close to over 2 million over the next 3 years.
Companies doing this are experiencing an 8% increase in oil and gas production, 25% reduction in operating costs, and 3% reduction in capital costs.
4 takeaways for today's webinar. Existing industrial IoT challenges, selecting the best industrial IoT digitalization program, scaling beyond a POC or pilot, and then new business and revenue models.
Today, we're also focusing on getting the business case right.
Most of the legacy equipment's not instrumented.
Most companies lack the infrastructure network components that really huge volumes of IoT data require.
There's also a lack of integration between the different legacy plant systems and the interoperability between vendors.
Security becomes an issue because you now have to secure your entire network.
First, you need to really start with the why. And the why is not technology. The why is a business case. Why are we doing this? Most people concentrate primarily on the technology. But the technology is only the enabler.
The way that we solve some of these challenges is firstly a fit-for-purpose data store and high-performance data formats.
You also need to determine a budget. That goes without saying. How much is this going to cost? But in doing that, you also need to calculate what is going to be your return on investment.
And of course, you have to plan for scale out from the start.
The large oil and gas operator, they realized that they had not done enough in technology over the past 15 years, and they wanted to be able to use digital transformation as a way to leapfrog their competition.
We've proven our ability to scale globally with companies like Petasense, Shell, Henkel, ABB, Technic FMC, and the key is we plan to scale from the start. That has always been part of the conversations with our clients.
What are the kind of modifications you require on a legacy equipment that doesn't have a facility to mount a sensor and a transmitter? How do you work around that? How should companies go about inculcating a digital mindset and agile behavior mindset change among the actual operational workforce? What are the kind of emerging standards coming up, considering that assets and sensors have different protocols and different software deployed? How do you decide what level of automation can be applied to a decision based on risk?